Hey, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. This will be a quick price action review of the Mini Nikkei futures based on Brooks price action trading. Today was a big gap up day, which led to an eventual closure. This green line here being yesterday high here, you can see. First three bars of the day are the pre-market bars, which set the precedence for the day, being a big reversal bar on the 15-minute chart. Those who sold that looking for 1 or possibly 2R, so they will put their stop above bar 1. Those selling on the 5-minute chart may have put their stop above the signal bar, this bear bar, or the prior bull bar, or they may even use the 15-minute as their safety for their stop. So by the first open bar of the day at 9 a.m., the official Osaka open time, we had abnormally high volume, 21,000, which created a massive bear trend. So the third bar of the day had created a gap bar, so high probability sell, selling the third bar for looking for a measured move of these 3 bars, which takes you down to the EMA. So bears selling here, hoping to get to the EMA, which is why we did get buying at the EMA, profit taking. So one, pullback, breaking the micro channel on this bar, selling back down, sideways, second leg down, potential reversal from the bulls, inside bar creation. So looking for a double top here from the bears for a continuation sideways to down, which is what we got. We got a break below the EMA, 2 legs down again. Those who sold the inside bar got their 2R minimum easily. They actually ended up getting a 4R on this trade if they had sold below, a tick below the bar, which is suggestible to increase your probability. So we got a break below the EMA. Then we got a micro double bottom reversal back above. However, we are getting caught up as a 50% retracement double top here from this bear leg, which we got further 2 legs down. Double bottom formation for the bulls, major trend reversal. Also, we have a wedge bottom, 1, 2, 3. If you draw a line across all 3, you have the middle breaching, which is good. Also, this second leg is going above the low of this first bottom, which increases the chance of at least a test to the top of the pullback, which is what we got. So bulls got their minimum, 50% retracement of the range. Also, it was a 2R on the 15-minute over here. This bar here, onto the left, top left. This bar, which closed here. So if we measure here, bulls who sold this bar on the 15-minute took their profits for exactly 2R. The attempted push higher, terrible bull bar, so a good sell bar for the bears, which is what they got. Shave top, shave bottom, strong sell. Bears will sell this below the 20 EMA, which is what we got. So we have 2 bear bar breakout. However, that was pulled back. There was a sell the close bar, so we did have a third push. 1 pullback, 2. So that's the potential at that moment in time for what the bears expected. We went sideways and another bigger second leg down. So could be 2 or 3 legs. Once we have this closure of the prior day high, we then had massive profit taking and push back to the EMA, which was inevitably sold again to push below. And the last target to be reached from the 15 of the would be the hourlies, which was, as you can see to the left here, the 20 EMA was reached at the very end of the day. Other targets we have in mind are, once we've created lower highs, we are creating a trading range. So targets for the bulls from this low to this high, breaking this structure here. So breaking, looking for a target down here, which is what we got, just above prior day high. Another target we're looking for is this trading range, this high, this low, target reached for those selling that failure. And from this high to this low brings us down to below high of yesterday, profit taking in this area. So lots of measured moves of trading ranges breakout, levels being reached. So what can we expect for the 29th? So we've just had 4 consecutive bull bars in a row, and today being a big bearish day, reversing from that massive gap up. We will be expecting some continuation from the bears potentially, or the bulls will be looking for an L1 trap. So we'll see what plays out in the first part of the day. Also, the 20 EMA on the daily is down at the 170 level. So bears will potentially be looking for a 1R of this bar down to test the 20 EMA. However, after 4 bull bars, we may get some buying. Thank you for watching, and I will be continuing with these Mini Nikkei videos in the future. See you in the next video.